Welcome again, dear viewers. Today, we will present the topic of the thought and philosophy of the Abdullah Ocalan Academy of Social Science. The social sciences have a role to play in our time, just as innate social wisdom did within the early matriarchal societies. They must be able to be an umbrella for all forms of knowledge, as they were in the first processes of historical and social construction. They accept the return to philosophy as the starting principle of a free society against the monopolistic mentality and sciences that atomise societies. The fact that history and society without philosophical foundations easily become ruined and destroyed has been demonstrated by countless examples, past and present. All schools of thought, sciences, philosophies, and artistic movements that are not linked to a moral and political society are stunted and will sooner or later lead to shortcomings. The basic unit of the social science of democratic modernity is moral and political society. Defining society in terms of morality and politics is the basic approach of the thought and philosophy of democratic civilization. It is indispensable for the unity of history that the unit of the study of social history be based on moral and political society. This philosophy of history and society is the aspiration, dream, and utopia of the anti-system forces. It is the longing and expectation for a classless, democratic, liberated, just and equal society, free from exploitation and hegemony. It is this philosophy and expectation that has characterized the resistance of peoples, nations, socialists, women, ecologists, religions, cultures, ethnic movements, anarchist, socialist, and communist movements throughout history. We've arrived now at the end for this topic. Don't forget to follow for more content. All the very best until next time.